yeah. Oh, shit, no.
That was fucking well done, though.
Are you okay?
Oh, hello.
You literally just clean made it up. It was just right at the end. In gear. Hold on, hold on. Got to get the clutch. I think that's second. Is that? Yeah, you probably know your bike a bit better. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yep, yep. Weight in the back, power on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Loosey-goosey. Let the bike do its thing. As long as it doesn't tank slap. Oh, man, they gotta stop here. Woo-hoo-hoo! So it's Saturday and we're going for a ride. So we got like, I don't know, like, I think it's 5 chicks and 2 guys. Woohoo! One's my brother. So he's come out. So doing some more like flowy, sandy tracks.
I was like, back brake.
I didn't realise you were right behind me and I kept sitting down being lazy.
I was filming ya.
I didn't know, and then I'm like, well fuck, she's behind me, I better actually go.
Oh, that's alright. No, you had a good pace through there. It was nice.
Legs are like up here.
Um, I like to go to the fish and chip shop. There's a really good fish and chip shop at Landsborough, which I always go to on the way home.
Is it pretty good, is it, down there now?
Yeah, like, well, it's like a British one. It's like British fish and chips. Otherwise, there's some nice spots at Beer Barn. A couple of cafes there, yeah. Malula does good everything. They've got good Indian, pizza, Thai. I don't know about Thai. Sorry. I hope Josie and Amy are okay. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, so this is actually my first time ever being sweep. So, it's pretty cool, I guess. Bloody squeaks. Squeaks that the bike makes. Yeah. No idea where I am. Whoops. Fucking lantana. Where's that? Alrighty. Oh, so pretty. feel good?
Yeah, my arms just, my elbows pop.
Oh, really? We can definitely take a break. Kind of cool. So yeah, it's been a nice day. A couple crashes, but I think everyone's mostly okay. Amy, who's in front, she's got a bit of a stuffed elbow at the moment, so she's doing pretty freaking well. So she's just taking it easy. This would be nice on a adventure bike, actually. Haven't had my DR650 out in a while because the back shock started leaking oil. So I was like, oh yeah, go get it serviced, the shock. And this guy went to service it and he's like, oh, what type of shock is this? I was like, oh, I don't know, it's like an aftermarket shock. And turns out that it was such a specific shock that he didn't even have a tool to open it. Turns out it's like a friggin' $1,000 shock from Canada, which they don't make anymore. The person like 2 owners ago put it on. I was like, why would you put such an expensive piece of equipment on a DR650? Like, come on. So I'm just in the bike's in pieces. So I'm just trying to purchase just a standard shock. I'm talking to a guy, I think down in Melbourne or something at the moment, but gonna get it sent up, and then the guy I'm going through, he'll set it up for my weight and camping and all that shit. So yeah, but I'm keen to get out on the DR. Super keen. I want to go camping. It's starting to get into nice, really nice weather at the moment. It's not too hot. And I think I probably have to give this bike a bit of attention too. I think the gasket on the engine's become a bit leaky, so there's just little bits of oil around it. Still rideable, it's not gushing out. Woo! So probably need to drop the oil. And then of course there's my road bike that gets the least amount of attention. But I don't think I'll ever sell it. It's such a nice bike, the VFR 800. I've got a couple of new attachments and stuff to kind of get some really nice angles with the camera on the road bike, so I can like pop it down, the camera down near the front wheel and get a nice angle there. And yeah, might try to do an overnighter on the road bike at some point with my friend Natasha. She always usually comes. So it's one of the things about working full time is that you only have so much time for your hobbies. Sit under this mango tree. Yeah, you only have so much time for your hobbies. And then they have even less time to edit the videos that I make from all the hobbies. So that's why I'm a bit slow with getting out all my videos. But I'll get better at it eventually, hopefully. waiting there, waiting to be edited. It's just hard with this, like this camera's awesome because it's 360. So there's lots of different things you can do with it. And it just helps smooth the footage out a bit more. So it's not, you know, fucking like bouncing everywhere. Especially on this type of shit. So yeah, because it's 360, it takes a bit longer to edit it because I actually have to go through minute by minute and to figure out where I want the camera to face and whether I want it to zoom in or not. But you can like use your when you connect it to your phone, you can actually use the gyroscope on your phone to kind of help point. You did?
He fell into me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
One thing I've also been trying to really sort out is the sound input on this camera because it's absolutely shit house. Like when you start to get up to speed, like it's okay when I'm dirt bike riding and I don't bother with any microphones when I'm dirt bike riding, but man, when I go on the adventure bike or the road bike, it's just like fucking annoying. So I've literally gone through like 3 or 4 different types of microphones, like ones that connect and then ones that are Bluetooth, and I think I've actually found one that should be right. I saw a video of this guy in America on video of this guy in America on one of his I don't know, it's like a Harley or something like that, and yeah, he told me about this particular microphone. So yeah, I reckon I might do a bit of a video on this camera and the whole setup because a few people have been interested in it. Yeah, the only downside though is just it does take that extra bit of time to download all the footage and stuff, but I reckon it's worth it. You just got to make sure you have the time to do it. Yeah, I reckon I'll do a video like that at some point. What's that? Oh yeah, it's so pretty, isn't it? It's so pretty. You get so, if you go to the right spots in here, you get the best views. Like, oh. Yeah. It's real cool. I know, I just read it. Caution, brats on motorbike.